What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back, and you guys, I made progress on my nails. They looking cute or whatever. Don't even look, sis. Don't even look. Nah, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending us over this wonderful, amazing, magnificent advent calendar for 2022. You guys, 2022 is coming to an end. RIP 2022. It's been a great year. It's been amazing. God bless everybody. Okay, guys, so here we go with day number 21. You guys know I've been so excited to unbox day number 21. It's one of the biggest boxes. It's actually the second biggest box. And you guys, what could it be? Wow, this feels heavy. Okay, what is this? You guys, I have not been on the internet. You tricked me. Oh my gosh. It's a pearl white. I would have never guessed that this was inside that box. They got me so good. But it's a pearl. Oh my. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my. You guys, you can't even see because my big old nail. Oh my, and I'm bumping into the mic because I'm literally so excited. I'm so sorry, guys. This is amazing. You know, I know some people who would die for this color. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. Hold on. Let me zoom in so that y'all can really see what I see. Oh my. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? It almost looks like, I don't even want to be like this, but it almost looks like, you know, when you buy that shampoo sometimes and it be looking just like this. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Okay, I have to go away. Like, I cannot. This is so pretty. I love this. Wow. Madam Glam tricked me by putting it in this big old box. I was like, what is this? Y'all are freaking hilarious. Okay, you guys, I cannot believe it was like a seashell. Wait, hold on. Did I even check and see what the name of it was? I'm so excited. I don't even think I checked. Pearl white. Oh my gosh, it's a builder gel. No wonder it was so thick. I'm about to freak out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta go, you guys. I can't. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. That was the best. Like, literally, like, would pay $100 for just that. I'm not joking. That was so exciting. Okay, so next we're gonna be opening 22, and then we have the next largest box over here, 23, which now I'm suspicious. Hold on, you guys. Okay, well, this sounds different. Okay, I don't think that's just a regular gel polish. So that's the last regular gel polish that we get, I think. That's sad. I'm so sad. Let me stop, you guys. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Drop comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this unboxing, day number 21. Literally my fave, and I did not expect it to be builder gel. Like, oh my gosh, Madam Glam snapped so hard with this. I cannot. I'm still stuck on, I think it was day 14, the one that had the glittery gel polish. Of course, you guys know I love day number 3, the little mini Glam nail lamp that we got. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. It's definitely a Merry Christmas over here or whatever, and I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already so that you can ring the notification bell and be notified every single time I upload. Till next time, I holla. Peace.